Hello! Obviously I am doing a video. I feel like this is gonna be my intro because I just honestly keep saying it in every video. I've noticed when I'm like editing, I'm like, wow, I say this a lot. So that's gonna be my intro. I'm making a video obviously about the Jackie Aina palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am in love with this palette. Look at how beautiful. Um, yeah, basically I do this eye look and lips. I have already done my face, so to make this video go quicker, and yeah, cause like you don't need to know my face makeup every time. It gets a little tedious, but yeah, continue watching. Here is the box, and here's the actual palette. I adore the packaging. It's beautiful, stunning, every color, every hopes of my dreams. Come on, let me. Oh, look at how beautiful. This is, to me, the perfect fall palette. It has purples, the golds, the browns, the muted red, like, it's beautiful. It's perfect. So obviously I did my face makeup. I want to do more of a fall look. I don't know what colors I want to use, to be honest. Like big wig and shooking. I have used this palette, I should mention, a couple times, but I did it more like neutral, you know, nothing popping like we're gonna do today. I think I'm leaning more towards the purples. We're gonna do purples today. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put primer. This is Just It Girls, I don't know, eyeshadow primer. It's honestly nothing special. So, I'm making cookies. I'm making spooky cookies. I was pulling out the cookies and I forgot I had my peruca on. And I was like, oh shit, this can't touch the oven because this is synthetic. Oh, it would have smelled so bad. It would have smelled so bad. Ooh. So I'm gonna take, that's funny, big wig and put it all around. This is a Wet n Wild brush. A fluffy one. Then I'm gonna go in with pinkier. Oh my god, I just stabbed it my pinkier. Kind of blend it out a little bit. We'll see what this looks like. If it looks different, I move the camera thing closer because it was bothering me. I wasn't listening. I'm really liking this. Cosmo, what are you doing? He wants to be here. Cosmo. Say hi. My boy. So, I'm gonna do Shookington. It's like a metallic purple. I'm gonna like put it in the middle here, but I'm gonna do spray my brush. I just use primer, water, whatever setting spray. Oh, I just realized I never take off the things off the. So satisfying. Alright. What are you doing? Okay. Hey! Me. Guest starring Kaz and Wall. Okay. This is. What are you doing? I really want this to be more glittery or something. I'm gonna put a little of the big wig under here. So I really want to like want more glitter. I feel like it's not sparkly enough. Maybe we'll do like a second layer of shooking. Cause I'm just like, what are you doing? I think I'm gonna put trust issues. So like a golden shift light. I'm just gonna deepen out here. I love this. This is really pretty. I wish you could kind of see what I see because this lighting is janky. I think I like this. I think. I'm gonna do mascara, and lashes. I'm gonna use Worth the Hype. I really like this one, even though I'm gonna put lashes over. Now before I do lashes, I'm gonna do lips. I want to do like a deeper, a deeper brown. Let's do that. I'm gonna do. What lip liner should we do, guys? Oh. I use earth tone way too much, so I'm trying not to use it. Let's see here. We'll do this one. I think it's a dark one. This is Coffee by NYX, actually. It's a nude. Whatever. We'll do that. Okay, before we finish the lip, I'm gonna do the lashes. So lashes, I'll be using their velour. I did get these like a while ago from Influencer to try, so for free. They're so comfy and they're so pretty. This is a glue that comes with. It's scary. I go on so easily. Cosmo, what are you doing? Hey, just digging up a box. Oh. I'm trying to open this, and it's the wrong freaking way. Insert that as a blooper. Boys, never listen. Muchachito, son mis cosas. Déjalos. He's trying to like dig in my influencer box, which he does all the time. So thanks, influencer, for sending my cats all these boxes they love to play in. I'm just saying, cause I can't get enough. He just climbed. The bats would get in the box. Look at, really, boy. It's fine. It's fine. All right, so he's like gone really, really easily. I see like a So for lips, I decided to use Beauty Mark from the NYX lingerie collection. I love these because they're so soft and comfortable. They don't dry my lips out. It's like a darker brown. So this is the finished look. I very much like the palette because there's some pops of color, some neutral, so you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. And the packaging is my favorite. Like, and yeah, you can do so much, so many different looks with it. You can't talk. And it's a very fall palette, like I said. It's got the oranges, the burnt orange, the little shimmery red, the deep purples, the browns, like and you got like the little brightness colors. And I like pop of brightness, you know. Cosmo, no. But yeah, I love this palette. As soon as I saw it was coming out, I was like, I need it because I love fall tones. I just feel like I look better in fall tones. Yeah. It's so pretty. Just like. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Let me know what you think of this look, I guess. It was a more simple, but like a brighter combination, I guess you can say. Yeah, if you have questions, comment down below. Follow me on Instagram, ToXJam with 2 M's. I feel like that's a mouthful to say. But yeah.